Hello guys, greetings to you all wherever you are watching and listening from. It's our weekly analysis again for the new trading week in the month of March 17th to 21st. Don't forget, major analysis is on analysis is majorly on the FS triads, okay? DXY, EURUSD, and GBPUSD. So our focus when it comes to the fundamental news release is on USD pairs, and if you check here on Forex Factory, Monday we have USD core retail sales and retail sales so the next USD news we have for the week is on Wednesday 19th, where you have federal fund rate, FOMC, right, statements. You can see the federal fund rate is still the forecast is still same as the previous. All right, so we don't have much fear on it, but don't forget that the major one is on Wednesday, and the next USD news is on Thursday, right, 20th March, which is unemployment claim. If you are watching from different continent other than Africa, don't forget I am using the West African time zone, right? So on this, you should lay more focus on Wednesday. Okay, you should lay more focus on Wednesday to probably take a trade. So now let's hop into the chart and see what the week holds for us. Don't forget, if you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on TikTok. And you can also hop into our free Telegram community where updates on currency pairs as a point of interest are always dropped for free to everyone who cares to learn. Now, this chart is on weekly time frame. All right, weekly time frame. Don't forget, Euro USD is still bullish. Okay, it's still bullish. GBPUSD is bullish, and DXY is bearish. But what do you think should be the anticipation for this week? All right. Now, just have to make sure you hold on as I'll be telling you what I am anticipating for the week that will give us the maximum, returns if we can be able to get an entry. But now, the overview is this. Look at DXY. DXY is bearish, but look at how the candle closed, right? The candle closed, took the low and closed inside. So it's an inside close candle, right? What is it signifying? It's signifying that probably there might be a retracement to a little bit upside, right? Same thing on Euro USD, right? Close, took off the high, previous week high, and closed. Don't forget last week analysis. We were anticipating that price should drop down into this area, 50% of this range, but price did the opposite, went and took the high but couldn't get close to where we were anticipating it. So we have to sit on our hands and see how price. So all we did was to just scalp around within the week. All right, so price took off the previous week high and closed inside. It can also indicate a little bit, a little drop below before pushing to the upside. Okay. Then on GBPUSD, same thing. Price also took off the previous week high and closed inside. Last week we also anticipating price to drop into this area we marked, right? This block that we marked, but price failed. Now, what are we anticipating this week? Now, pay attention carefully. For this week anticipation, I will, from the at-first analysis, that we really want to buy. We really want to go for a bullish move. That doesn't mean we're going to keep buying every day, but we have to wait for price to retrace into, into this imbalance, to rebalance before pushing up. All right. So what is my anticipation? I am anticipating that price should a little bit drop, probably Monday, right, Tuesday, and early Wednesday. Price should get close to within this area. Then FOMC should now push us to the upside. All right. So when I say buy, I'm not saying you should buy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We can have a sell into our point of interest before it push up. And that push up, the best day to buy, or sell, depending on how price moves, should be on Wednesday. And if you are buying or selling on Wednesday, hold it down till Thursday. And this is what I am expecting price to do. If price should drop without taking the high, there's a high chances that FOMC on Wednesday is going to push us up. So if price should open, for instance, right, and probably go up a little bit and drop down to any of this area or zone we mark, before the zone we mark on Wednesday, then we should anticipate on a high certainty that price will push up. All right, price will go to the upside. But if price takes the high first, then you should be very, very careful. All right, so let me show you on H4 time frame and see what I'm anticipating on price delivery. Now for Euro USD, look at it now. For Euro USD, I'm anticipating that price should push to this locate to this area and drop. Probably when it gets to this zone, it will halt and before breaking down. Now all of these things can be messed up by fundamentals. Don't forget that the global tariff issue is still really affecting the market. So you must have to pay attention to fundamentals beyond the Forex factory. If probably prior to the open of the market, the US President Donald Trump make a statement again about the issue of tariff and other things, all of this analysis can be messed up. All right, so that is why you must pay attention and see. So if based on the tariff USD gets weakened, that means the high of what we anticipated on the weekly can't be taken. But if there is a change, or probably there is another fundamental release based on probably the US president's speech or whatever that has to be done, that will strengthen USD a little bit, all right, a little bit. That means all of this analysis will play to the T. So I'm anticipating that on H4 price should drive into this area. If confirmational setup is given, I will. But if it is not, I will hold on until Wednesday. So the best time for me that I want to really take a trade outside Wednesday, every other time I want to do on Monday, Tuesday, it's going to be on a scalping basis. All right, on Wednesday. So whatever trade you take on Wednesday, you can hold it Wednesday to Thursday. But these ones are just for scalping that you can make use of if you have a itching hand. All right, so that is that for our analysis for the week. So we are going to go bullish when price trades either of this area we marked or probably on Wednesday, depending on where price is located. So if you have questions, please drop into our comment section and I will respond to you when necessary. All right, we meet on weekend and we have an analysis or probably a review of how price has panned out. Drop your comment and let's meet when necessary. God bless you and have a wonderful trading week ahead. Bye.